Hi, I'm Marcelo Puno. I'm a Busconian from Don Bosco Academy, Pampanga. I came from the Forcafaso Brotherhood, with Mr. Gino Bognot as our advisor. This is my last farewell to my alma mater. The three significant events that totally changed my life. Significant events that totally changed my life. Most of the event took place last year and this year. The first event is that when I joined the SLA, Student Leaders Assembly, at Don Bosco, Mandaluyong. For a long time, I thought that being a leader meant being in charge and telling everybody else what to do. When I joined this event, I learned that it's not about being the boss. All the members of the group tried to be in charge at once, and because of this, the group fell apart. I learned an important lesson about being a student leader. Leadership is about influence, good people skills, commitment, and knowing when to show the way rather than to lead the way. Second is the spiritual retreat at Don Bosco, Batulao. This retreat has made a difference in my life. I really wish that it would never end, and it really doesn't have to end. I just need to continue working with it. I think that the greatest grace that I have received from this retreat is that I have become more focused on the presence of God in my life. Third event is that when we joined the Awaiting Rap Battle Contest last August 2011. The group consists of me, Jag Nugget, Carlos Nugget, Jason Pascual, and Mark Pineda. Frankly, I don't want rap music because for me, it's not music at all. When we were creating the lyrics, we had a hard time because it's hard. As a musician, I learned that it takes hard work, determination, and perseverance to make rap lyrics. I'm very thankful that we joined this battle because this improved my music skills and other aspects of life. Thank you. The first significant lesson that I learned in Don Bosco Academy was I learned that everyone was a lot more similar than I thought. High school was a race to define yourself, to find a single group whose interests most closely match yours, and to cling onto it for dear life. After 4 years, it felt as if we had all sacrificed our individuality to conform to certain social categories. Upon entering college and the real world, we were all shocked to realize how much we all actually had in common by virtue of growing up in the same place. I realized how many potential friendships were lost due to trivial pressures and expectations. The second lesson is to follow your heart. I had several very inspiring high school teachers who were encouraging, fun-loving, and had high expectations. My strongest bond was with my high school music teacher because Mr. Rafalia, because first I love music. Our music department was so much fun that I anticipated going to school every day. Mr. Rafalia is the best. He always encouraged me to pursue my dreams and follow my heart. So follow my heart. I will follow my heart every day. The third significant lesson is honesty. Somehow in life, we may encounter experiences wherein being honest will examine our resolution. Thus, we may hesitate in telling someone the truth or even in facing up our own truths. It may also often seem similar to keep away from the actual situation. But then again, our glitches will not will not be resolved unless we deal and fix them. Moreover, um, we must always bear in mind that honesty is the means to the right or proper way of living. Through honesty, we develop a sense of trust, which also nurture us to build strong relationship with others. Honesty will set you free. Thank you. To all teachers and staffs of Don Bosco Academy and priests, lahat ng tao sa Don Bosco, maraming salamat. Sa mga kaibigan ko, sa mga lahat ng nakasama ko dito, maraming salamat. Hindi dahil sa inyo, wala ako dito. Mon, Los, lahat yan, yung mga nasa likod ko. Hindi ko magagawa ito kung wala kayo. I love you all. Father Ding, Father Rector, Father, all fathers in Don Bosco. I love you very much. Ito po si Jam, oh. At yun lang po. Maraming salamat.